Honestly, it feels ages since I've done an update, but I know many of you want to know when's the next update, and this is what I'm going to show you right now, what I can show you for my camera today. Enjoy. Oh my god, look at those. Look, you can see the supports over there now. That is mad. So this is the bank turn that should come out. The ground pins are down there, and it goes round the corner, and there's a ground pin just there, and it goes on right over there. As you can see, the more ground pins, and then that point from then onwards will be a beast of height, 236. We're going to be looking right there in the next few months' time, and I'll tell you what, this is quite an obsession of height. Far end is more fascinating from what we saw earlier. Obviously that drill's in the way, but there's a lot of ground pins. That end's ready for sure. So it's amazing what they've done over since January with it, all demolish everything, loggers leave. But now this is the real thing. This is the ride station, ground pins in the middle for the ride station is. Guests will be entering on off the ride here, and this is the maintenance bay. So that's what you saw today, what they've been doing, and slightly things have changed, but nothing major has changed. A lot in 7 days has made me go, wow. You know, you will know once the excitement kicks in for me, because once something arrives on site and things go vertically, I will be absolutely mind-blowing moment. I'll be like, it's happening, it's actually happening. And I only need to do those updates when the excitement of me begins. And of course we all saw the demolishment of loggers leave, and the old town has been demolished, and the changes we've been seeing, but we are very near to see the most exciting times for the history of Thorpe Park Resort. It's been such a passion for me, this project, and I've been wanted to do this once the ride got approved from the Secretary of State and the council, but it'd be a year in October since the council got it approved, but they had to wait another announcement once we heard the Secretary of State got it approved. And I have to hold my breath for such a long time last year. I remember how intense it was, and it was for many enthusiasts who love Thorpe Park, like myself. But overall though, it's all about, now when does this vertical park going to start? We all thought September was the month. Okay, I don't think this is the month for it. I think we're very much more likely to see October for many reasons. And my speculation is this: I think Fright Night's teaser campaign all started bringing a little bit of projects that's involved with that little model, and I think there's a hint behind that. I still believe October is the month. Honestly, September, I was hoping it was going to go up, because I'd be like, you know, I was hoping to do more exciting updates, but it has proved, many of us, that it isn't a week that it was going to go vertical. There was rumours such a long time, and much as it is nice that it's exciting happening, but it's when we physically see it with our own eyes, and the world will be watching. And I want to address this quite clearly. You want to see some good reaction videos from me in my genuine way, you have to subscribe when that vertical starts, and get the world watching, please. And I want to be honest, share, like, recommend anyone to the channel. I'm just going to be honest, it's going to be exciting. And I think Monk's Walk during close season, it's going to be that kind of off-peak season to look out for when it vertically goes up. And I'm still trying to imagine this ride. Colossus, 98 feet. Just imagine. I think if you look at Swarm and Colossus on top, just trying to visualise what that would be like. And I think October is going to be the month where we find out, for many reasons. I think if we're going to be seeing it vertically. So that's all I have to show today. The only bit I can actually tell what has improved since my last update, it's only this. I still think the unique bank turn when it goes towards the lift hill and the far end section of the ground pins has started to spike. I'm noticeable now. And that's it really. But now just give me a couple of weeks, I reckon. I've got a birthday tour to do, and you got to see a very special update from me very soon. And I would highly recommend you to subscribe, and yeah, that's something to look out for to the channel. But overall though, subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your understanding, but you will get a reaction when the excitement vertical part starts. But thank you once again, and thank you so much for support. But for now, keep your eyes peeled for my update and hit the bell button to get that update once I know for sure when it gets to start, honestly. Thanks very much, have a good night and take care and enjoy what you're doing. Sligh.